Hi guys, let's start with the IDIRA.chat. So IDIRA.chat, it's an amazing conversation analytics guide that you have on your fingertips. Just ask questions and get results in seconds, not in minutes, not in hours. So so we take advantage of the MCP configuration, use the AI, and as you see, all our configurations are only reads to not question the guardrails that we have to have our conversations getting started. So on the left side you have the history, and I'm starting to typing so to giving the last 15 days of traffic on the websites from social media and integrations. So this you can always redact and redo your chats and can edit and then send it again, no problems. So I'm putting all the results that I want by, or I can do a very simple query. Okay, for the simple query, if I don't manipulate the days that I want, by default will be 7 days only. Okay, just to don't because sometimes people don't have the things that are necessary to and forgot often what is the time period. So what is done on the beginning? It's analyze the query, see if it's possible to execute the data. Okay, if it's because we have a context, now it's giving all the information, but we have the context that is only talks and conversation only about marketing and related fields. Okay, only. So if you want to try another things, you don't get more data. Okay, so now I'm following up a thing that is possible to do. It's following up the answers that the system gave me. This is perfect for juniors and for seniors because it gives you sorted for the consistency of the data that you have and the recommendation that they have for that data. So and for that side, it's very good because it alarms you not in the end, but in the beginning, what you are seeing, what is the data period, what is the consistency of the data, and kind of resolutions that you can follow to have good data. Okay, so that information it's really important. So as you see, I have always executive summary, and then all the information that we have about the user engagement, the traffic from the data from the social media, then the traffic from the websites. And as you can see, there's some current limitations. Okay, just to focus on specific campaigns or all traffic. Okay, so in that sense, it's good because sometimes people make assumptions that are not correct. So is saying, okay, we are only asking for data that is on campaign level from social media. Others I will ignore. So he states that as a current limitation that you have to analyze broader the data. So you see follow up data, and he's fetching the data as well. So this is really fast, as you see. So as you see, is really fast. Expected channel breakdown, you see. So you have all the information that we need for each channel. Okay, and what is the metrics we will receive. Sometimes we have to put, okay, let's put more time because this is the data that I want. So you consume more tokens on that, but it's wise to do first a small example if the data is come by your way in the better way, and then put data periods more longer, like last month, last 2 months, last quarter. That is really important. Okay, so I'm doing several, as you see, um, following the questions that we can follow and see, because there's a woman in a loop to define what he wants from the data, because you always get information like a photography from your dashboard, but you don't get to get answers for that photography. So you can go to IDIRA.chat and make all the things that you need to ask to have better results on your campaigns, have better results, and optimize your investments in marketing. That's the way we want you to see IDIRA.chat for your team and for yourself.